Hey everyone, it says solve for x, and we have a is equal to x plus y over 2. So to solve for x, we have to get x all by itself on one side and everything else on the other. And currently x is on the right side. There's no x's over here on the left. So let's work on getting x by itself on the right. Well, I can't do anything until I get rid of the fraction. I can't move the y over to this side because it's trapped up here in the numerator of this fraction. So we can get rid of that fraction by multiplying both sides by 2, because that's what's in the denominator, a 2. So I've got to do that to both sides. Well, the 2's cancel out over here, which leaves us with 2a is equal to x plus y. And now we want to get rid of that plus y so that x is all by itself. Well, we know how to do that. We subtract y from both sides. Since this is addition of y, we can get rid of it by subtracting. When we're finished with that, the y's cancel, so we have x is equal to 2a minus y. And that's it. We're done because x is all by itself. Now you want to be careful. I realize that these are more difficult than equations that just have x, because when there's just x, we can always simplify the side of the equation that has all the numbers, because you can combine them. But you can't combine 2a minus y, so you have to just leave it written out like that. Just keep track and keep straight in your mind what the operations were. First it was 2 times a, so the 2 times a has to remain as that, 2a. And then we subtracted y, so it has to be 2a minus y. All right, it's not 2a times y or 2a divided by y, 2a minus y. And then the other thing I want to mention is if you enter this, 2a minus y is equal to x, but use the lowercase the lowercase a rather, the lowercase a, it'll count that wrong. You have to keep the same case letter. So if it was an uppercase a in the original problem, it's got to be an uppercase a in the final answer, and the same with any of the other variables. So try to avoid making that little mistake. You hate to lose points just for that.